Hello, my name is Islan and this is my partner Anisha,
Hi, madam.
and we're going to explain is it safe to use insect repellent at home? And we going to explain what is an insect repellent and what are the composition can be found in insect repellent, as well as symptom and prevention, and how to make better use of insect repellent without harming yourself.
So, what is an insect repellent? An insect repellent basically are used to repel mosquitoes, ticks, flies, and other biting insects. This is because mosquitoes can transmit diseases such as Zika, malaria, West Nile virus, and ticks, on the other hand, can transmit Lyme disease, Rocky Mountain spotted fever, and other diseases. Next slide. These are the common compositions or the common active ingredients that can be found on um, on most bug sprays and most insect repellents. And they are pyrethroid, cypermethrin, transflutrine, cypermethrin, pyrethrin, carbamide, propoxy, and organophosphate. Next slide. Most household bug sprays contain plant-derived chemicals called pyrethrins that I mentioned before, and these chemicals are originally from chrysanthemum flowers and are generally not harmful. However, they can cause life-threatening breathing problems if they are breathed in. And one of the few substances that we should be aware of are carbamates, organophosphates, and mothballs, pyridichlorobenzenes. Next slide, please. Uh, as I like when you saw the picture just now, 2 slides back, that was the Baygon insect repellent, because the most common insect repellent that is used in Malaysia, especially, is Baygon insect repellent, which contains one of the most dangerous substances, organophosphate, like I mentioned. Now, organophosphates are basically a group of human-made chemicals that poison insects and mammals. Organophosphates are the most widely used insecticides today. How can we be exposed to organophosphate? There are a few ways. And the first one is by ingesting them, breathing them, or getting them in your eyes or skin. Another way is by touching contaminated soils or runoff water or groundwater, and as well as eating contaminated food and skin contact during home application are the main sources of exposure.
Okay, I'm going to talk about symptom and prevention. These are the symptom. Sudden poisoning by organophosphate start during or after exposure. Depending on how the poison is contacted, symptoms start faster after organophosphate are breathed. And next, by eating or drinking contaminated food or water or getting them on your skin, here are long-term exposure to organophosphate can cause, which is confusion, anxiety, loss of memory, loss of appetite, weakness, headache, diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, and here's the prevention. These are some general steps you can take to minimize the risk, which is wearing a personal protective equipment, which is wearing mask and glove while using them, and follow the instruction that are on the packages and proper storage or disposal, which is keep it on a dry and cold place and keep it out of reach of children. Hand hygiene, which is you need to wash your hand after using them and avoid direct contact, which is avoid it from touch your skin.
And this is how we can make better use of insect repellent. without harming yourself. So when used as directed, insect repellents with organophosphates are generally considered safe for short-term use in humans. They can be effective in reducing the risk of diseases such as malaria, dengue fever, or Lyme disease. However, it is important to follow the instructions provided by the manufacturer, like what Islan mentioned before. It is one of our prevention methods, and it can also avoid excessive or prolonged use. Hold on, yeah. Can see this. Oh, okay. If you do suspect that you have been exposed to organophosphates and are experiencing symptoms, it is important to seek immediate medical attention as soon as possible. That's all. That's all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That's it from us. Thank you.